Dear friends, today we are going to discuss some more NCVT MCQs for plumber trade. Let's start. Question number 1. A valve which operates automatically when the pressure in the pipe exceeds the set pressure is called dash. A valve which operates automatically when the pressure in the pipe exceeds the set pressure is called dash. Answer option A, safety valve. Answer option A, safety valve. Pressure relief valve is also known as safety valve. Question number 2. A valve permitting a liquid or gas to flow in one direction. A valve permitting a liquid or gas to flow in one direction. Answer option D, check valve. Answer option D, check valve. Question number 3. Dash are equipment designed to stop or regulate flow of any fluid in its path. Dash are equipment designed to stop or regulate flow of any fluid in its path. Answer option D, valve. Answer option D, valve. Question number 4. The impurities are removed from boiler with the help of dash. The impurities are removed from boiler with the help of dash. Answer option D, blow off coke. Answer option D, blow off coke. Question number 5. Dash can prevent the entry of cockroach and other insects from sewer line to waste pipes carrying wastewater. Dash can prevent the entry of cockroach and other insects from sewer line to waste pipes carrying wastewater. Answer option C, gully trap. Answer option C, gully trap. Question number 6. Which one of the following test is used for testing sewer pipes? Which one of the following test is used for testing sewer pipes? Answer option D, all of these. Question number 7. Air relief valves in water supply pipelines are provided at dash. Air relief valves in water supply pipelines are provided at dash. Answer option C, summits. Answer option C, summits. Question number 8. Sluice valve in main water supplies pipe dash. Sluice valve in main water supplies pipe dash. Answer used to regulate the flow. Answer used to regulate the flow. Question number 9. Pressure relief valve is provided in water main dash. Pressure relief valve is provided in water main dash. Answer option D, all of this. Pressure relief valve is provided in water main to reduce the pressure upstream of sluice at low points. Question number 10. In distribution pipes, drain valves are located. In distribution pipes, drain valves are located. Answer option C, at a lower point. Answer option C, at a lower point. Question number 11. What type of flushing cisterns is used with the urinals? What type of flushing cisterns is used with the urinals? Answer option D, automatic flushing cisterns. Answer option D, automatic flushing cisterns. Question number 12. What is the name of the device used to lift treated water through overhead tank? What is the name of the device used to lift treated water through overhead tank? Answer option C, pump. Answer option C, pump. Question number 13. Which is a well pump? Which is a well pump? Answer option D, submersible pump. Answer option D, submersible pump. Question number 14. The shaft connecting pump and electric motor is called dash. The shaft connecting pump and electric motor is called dash. Answer option D, transmission shaft. Answer option D, transmission shaft. Question number 15. The winding of submersible pump is dash. The winding of submersible pump is dash. Answer option A, waterproof. Answer option A, waterproof. Question number 16. The pumps that work by remaining completely or partially immersed in water are called dash. The pumps that work by remaining completely or partially immersed in water are called dash. Answer option B, submersible pump. Answer option B, submersible pump. Question number 17. The material that is appropriate for making cables for submersible pumps is dash. The material that is appropriate for making cables for submersible pumps is dash. Answer option A, PVC. Answer option A, PVC. Question number 18. Sump is constructed. Sump is constructed. Answer option B, below ground level. Answer option B, below ground level. Question number 19. For centrifugal pumps. For centrifugal pumps. Answer, limited space is required, initial cost is low, steady discharge is obtained. So the answer is option D, all of this. Question number 20th. Reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pump. Answer option A are not suitable for variable heads. Reciprocating pumps are not suitable for variable heads. Next question. Why it is necessary to fix a non-return valve in the vertical delivery line of a pump? Why it is necessary to fix a non-return valve in the vertical delivery line of a pump? Answer option B, to avoid back pressure. Answer option B, to avoid back pressure. Question number 22nd. What should be done before starting a centrifugal pump? What should be done before starting a centrifugal pump? Answer option A, prime the pump. Answer option A, prime the pump. Question number 23. The submersible pump is designed to dash. The submersible pump is designed to dash. Answer, suction of water from deep wells. Answer, suction of water from deep wells. Question number 24. Airlift pump is installed to draw more water from the deep well. The pump is operated by dash. Airlift pump is installed to draw more water from the deep well. The pump is operated by dash. Answer option C, compressed air. Airlift pump is operated by compressed air. Question number 25th. What happens if handle is moved up and down in hand operated reciprocating pump? What happens if handle is moved up and down in hand operated reciprocating pump? Answer option C, piston moves. Answer option C, piston moves. Dear friends, our today's video is over. We see again with the more MCQs from NCVT. If you like my videos, kindly do share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.